Ceiling designing that instantly upgrade your home interiors. So ceiling designing मतलब आपके घर का डिजाइनिंग क्राउन, पर हर घर को ये क्राउन कैसे डिजाइन करना है वो नहीं पता होता है. सो ये वीडियो आप एंड तक देख लीजिए and make your ceiling designing level game top notch. So here are my 4 go-to ceiling design. First, co-ceiling with LED strip, warm and dramatic look. Second, ग्रू डिटेलिंग with paint highlights, budget friendly style मिलेगा. Third, layered POP with clean cuts for larger rooms. And fourth, wooden rafters, even in laminate look if your budget is tight, adds coziness and charm. Bonus point, always plan ceiling designing considering the light designing. Ceiling designing without light designing is like wedding without music. So do not do that. And और ऐसे ही टिप्स और ट्रिक्स के लिए do not forget to follow our page.